in a kingdom where idols ruled and obedience to God was forbidden. 3 young men chose faith over fear.
When you hear the sound of the horn, flute, and lyre, bow to my golden image, or be thrown into the blazing furnace.
O king, we will not bow. Our God is able to deliver us. But even if he does not, we will not serve your gods.
Heat the furnace 7 times hotter. Bind them and throw them in. Did we not cast 3 men into the fire? But I see 4 walking unharmed, and the 4th looks like a son of the gods. Shadrach, Meshach, Abednego, servants of the Most High God, come out! There is no other God who can save in this way.